Hello, let me show you a brand new feature right in Alter Workspace. Alter Workspace now have the capabilities to write and modify the files inside its workspace. Let me show you with an example, creating a task management vault into Obsidian. In Alter, create a new workspace. And here, I'm going to add my brand new Obsidian vault. Great. Now, the only thing I have to do is create a brand new Alter conversation and ask Alter to organize my vault. Let's see what it's doing directly in Obsidian. As you can see, Alter is now starting to create the Obsidian notes in the vault for a task management system. Okay, let's speed up this a little bit. Okay, Alter has finished putting in place the template and is explaining us how things work. Again, we can look at the dashboard and you can see it has created all the required notes for a GTM system. Now, let's use it. The great thing with Alter is it's connected with your different app and Mac ecosystem. So here, I want to watch later an interview of Obsidian CEO. No problem. I can just copy the URL and go back in Alter, and I can copy the URL and automatically we will grab the page and we can create an action. Let's see. Okay, because I didn't give more context to Alter, he has decided to put this task in someday maybe. Let's see how it looks. And here we are. It automatically had put the watch later with the YouTube URL directly. And the great thing with Alter is because we are connected with your local apps, but also your third-party tools, you can create advanced workflow, like for example, ask to create task in your Obsidian Vault for urgent email. Let me show you. Look into my Gmail inbox for urgent email and create task in my Obsidian Vault for each email. Make sure to include the URL of each email. Okay, the STT Cloud model is an interesting one. I really don't want to miss it, so let me create an Apple reminder for this. And here it is. It has been created. And that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the new Alter Workspace with right features. See you next week.